In today's video, we're talking about how you can make the most out of your cash with the Wealthfront Cash Account. In general, you should hold enough cash to do three things. You gotta cover unexpected emergencies, and we suggest at least 3 months worth of expenses set aside there. You need to pay for your monthly expenses, and you need that cash to meet any short-term goals. If you're going to set your short-term savings aside somewhere, you want to make sure that you're getting the most out of that cash, right? You want to earn a high interest rate, you don't want to pay any account fees, you want to be able to access it quickly when needed, and you want to have the peace of mind that your money is safe and secure. Where do you get all those? Enter Wealthfront. If you're not sure what you should do with your short-term savings, especially in light of the crazy market volatility that we have seen in 2022, Wealthfront offers a cash account that allows you to build your emergency fund and save for future expenses at a high yield. In fact, we offer an APY at nearly 20 times the national average as of July 20th, 2022. And if your cash is still sitting in that average checking account, you're missing out on free money. It's your money, so we think you should be able to move it between accounts, apps, and banks easily and whenever you want. That's why we offer unlimited fee-free transfers to external accounts. You are free to move your money whenever and wherever you choose. It's your money. Wealthfront's cash account also allows you to invest your cash within minutes with a Wealthfront taxable investment account. On top of that, you can use our automated savings tool to monitor your accounts and save just the right amount when your balance reaches a preset threshold. Not only does the cash account help you earn more, but it also does not charge you those pesky account fees that you might be used to at other banks by now. That's right, no account fees, no overdraft fees, no nonsense fees. At Wealthfront, we know the importance of keeping that hard-earned cash in your account, so we don't charge any of those nickel and dime fees. And while earning more and avoiding those fees are super important, you also need to keep your cash savings so you do not have to worry about the security of your money. Our cash account offers up to $1 million in FDIC insurance through partner banks, which is 4 times the standard amount other banks give. It costs you nothing, yet provides a high level of certainty that your funds are safe with us. Did we mention that you can spend it too? I mean, it's your money. You should be able to spend it however you want. So when we say your money is there when you need it, your cash is readily available anytime you need to use it. The cash account offers all the checking features you expect from your cash with a free debit card, direct deposit, bill pay, 19,000 plus free ATMs, and even check deposits. We'll not only help you save more, but give you all the tools that you need to access that cash when you most need it. Okay, so let's show you exactly how the cash account works. First, let's show you exactly where you can find out how much interest you've accrued and earned throughout the year. So from the dashboard, you'll click into the cash account. What you'll see at the top is it shows your total balance, your available balance, and then right below that it shows interest earned. You gotta make the most out of your cash. If it's sitting in a checking account right now earning next to nothing, you're missing out on free money. So if you wanna dig into the interest, just click on the tooltip next to interest earned. And what you'll see is you can see this year, all time, and even pending interest coming up, which should show here in the next few days. One thing I love about the cash account is just how sleek it is, right? Like you go to most bank apps, sometimes you scroll through and it's glitchy. Like this is great. It shows me all of my transactions. You can see that I have my direct deposit set up. I have other money coming in periodically from other bank accounts because I gotta earn more interest here. It's really easy to see everything going on. If you wanna click into any specific transactions as well, it gives you a little more details, the date, things like that. It's just sleek. It's easy to navigate through the cash account. Another thing that I love to highlight is our cash categories. So from the main cash account dashboard, you'll see this categories. If you wanna click view, and in there you'll see that you have your main cash account and then you can add separate categories. For me, I love the idea of kind of separating it out, mentally, doing some mental accounting, but through software. So in this case, I got my emergency fund, right? That I wanna save a certain amount there. I have my wedding fund, let's say for example, and then I have money that's set aside that I wanna save for a vacation. Remember, with cash, you wanna save for your short-term goals as well. It's not just your emergency fund. You wanna save for anything in the next couple of years, all right? So you can break out any category, you can create categories if you want. We allow you to kind of do some mental accounting. We allow you to separate your cash savings out so that you can know how much is for each goal, right? Like we said, you wanna have enough cash for emergency savings, short-term goals, and your monthly expenses. You can do that with cash categories. Quite possibly, my favorite feature of the cash account is the near instant investing when moving funds from the cash account to the investment account during market hours. I love the idea of being able to move cash into the market and seeing it get invested within a few minutes, right? You gotta do it during market hours, and we don't suggest market timing, but sometimes you realize that, hey, I wanna throw some money in the market now. So let's show you how that's done. Click on transfer money, transfer between accounts, cash account to investment account. You can decide how much you do. Let's say we wanna do $10,000. It's going to the individual investment account from the cash account. Click review, confirm your details. Boom, $10,000 on its way to the investment account. By the end of this video, it's probably already invested. That's how easy and simple it is. If you need to move funds from your investment account to your cash account, the other way around, it's the same way. Very simple, easy process. Let's say you need to move money out of Wealthfront, right? It's your money, right? You need access to it. So the same way, you'll click transfer money. You'll click withdraw from Wealthfront, from my cash account. Let's say you want to move $500 out. You're going to move it to your Bank of America in this case. Transfer. And done. You can even use the transfer money page to send or deposit a check. And then of course, if you have an investment account, you can bring over investments that way, or bring over more cash to the Wealthfront cash account. I also want to highlight some of the checking features that our cash account comes with. So if you click manage, what you'll see is you can assign an account nickname to it. We'll show you your account number and routing number for easy access, maybe if you're adding this to other third parties. We highlight that our partner bank is Green Dot Bank. Give you information on how to set up direct deposit if you have not already done that. With direct deposit at Wealthfront, sometimes you'll get your paychecks up to 2 days earlier than other banks. That's a big deal. You can order a debit card. All those features that you expect out of a checking account, we have those in the Wealthfront cash account as well. So again, it's your money. We built all the features so you have access to it easily. You can earn a little more and expect all of the features that you would with a standard checking account. So what are you waiting for? Get started with as little as $1 and sign up today. Use the link in the description below to get started.